Hey guys, today I'll show you how to set up Mailcow email server and connect it to Smartlead so that you can start sending your own cold emails. So we'll just need to have a VPS with open port 25 and a domain and also an account on Smartlead. So let's get started. So just get at least 6 GB of ROM from DartNode. And if you don't know how to set up a VPS or a dedicated server on DartNode, I will put a tutorial on the description down below so that you can follow. So I'll just quickly log into my DartNode account. Okay, now I am here on my DartNode VPS dashboard and I have already set my host name, and of course we will set our reverse DNS and we'll make it mail@webshop.store. Okay, so I have set both IPv6 and IPv4, and we will add our initial A records. So that will be we'll just copy this IPv4. We will disable this proxy and just click save. And for our mail, that will be mail. Same IP. And our MX record. That will be and that will be mail.webchunks.store. And for our priority, it will be 10. And we'll just click save. Then we will connect to our server using SSH. We will use Bitwise, so just paste your IPv4 here. Use port 22 and set your username to root and just click login. Accept and save. And by the way, I am using Ubuntu 24.04 LCS. Let's copy the root password. Click new terminal console. And we will update our system. Upgrade. Okay, so now let's install Mailcow. Now let's copy this command. Let's use sudo because we are using Ubuntu. Okay, we'll just copy this command. Then we will enable Docker. And let's continue. So we will verify using umask. This will be 0022. Let's go to cd opt and we will clone Mailcow using this command. And let's go to Mailcow Dockerized. Then we will generate a configuration file. We will set our host name. That will be mail.webchunks.store. Set your time zone. I'll just hit enter or default. We will choose number 1. And we will enable IPv6. So choose Y. And now let's just copy this command. Okay, we will wait for it to finish. Okay, now let's proceed. So we will enter this command. Okay, now let's access our Mailcow. Let's open a new tab here, and to access Mailcow, go to mail.yourdomain.com/admin. So the username is admin and password is mohu. Okay, now let's add our first domain. So let's go to email and configuration. Okay, let's add webshanks.store. And just click add domain and restart Sogo. And just click DNS and it will start mapping our DNS. So let's start with this one. So we'll just move this one quickly. Okay, we will map IPv6. So let's add record. Choose this 4 A's here and it will be at. Also, sorry, that will be mail. So the correct data is this one. Click save. And we will also add, okay, we will add another IPv6. So just copy this IP, sorry, that will be IPv6 for our root. Sorry, I forgot that one. And for PTR, let's add a PTR record. Okay, we'll just copy this one. And paste our domain name. So click save. So we will add TLSA. For the name, we'll just copy this. And that for our usage selector and matching required, it will be 311. Okay, I'll just copy this. Be 311 and just paste the certificate. Click save. Okay, sorry about that. So our MX is already good. So for our CNAME, we'll add record. Okay, just paste it here. Okay, we'll disable this one. Click save. And for our auto discover, that will be SRV. Okay, just paste this one. And we will copy this. Do not copy 443. This will be 443 for the port, and the target is our mail.webshanks.store. Since there is no priority and wait, we'll put 0. Click save. And another CNAME. Okay, we'll add a CNAME. Paste it here. And of course, our target. Then for our SPF record, you can follow this one here, right here. So, okay, I'll just copy this one. Add record, it will be a text record. And That will be at, or just paste the content here, and we will change the values for our IPv6 and IPv4. So this is our IPv6, or you can go to here in your DartNode. Okay, we'll just paste it here, and for our IPv4, okay, I'll just paste it here, and we'll just click save. Then for our DMARC, you can also copy this part right here. Okay, we will add a text record for DMARC. Okay, we'll paste content here, and we will use this as our name. Click save, and finally our DKIM. So another text record. So paste it here, and just copy the value of your DKIM, and just click save. So now we have completely added our DNS records. Okay, we'll just close this one, and we'll wait for a few minutes so that the propagation will be completed. Okay, now let's click DNS again. So let's see if we have properly configured everything. Okay, good. So now let's add mailboxes. So just click mailboxes, and we'll add mail. So let's say, Jack. Okay, let's set a full name. Okay, we will generate a password. Okay, and we will enforce TLS incoming and outgoing, and we will click add, and we will add another mailbox. So let's say Liam. So Liam Sharks. Okay, we'll set a password, and we will enforce TLS incoming and outgoing, and let's click add. Okay, great. And now to test our email server, we will just click log out. Okay, we will log in using our emails we have just created, but we will remove admin so that we can go to our webmail. So let's log in. And we will go to mail tester so that we can test our email server if it is completely functioning. Okay, we'll just copy this one. And okay, we will write a new message. Say hello. How are you? And let's send. Okay, let's go to a mail tester, and let's check our score. Okay, we got a 10/10. And now we will sign up with Smartlead. So just go to Smartlead. Okay, we will get started for free. Okay, we'll add our full name. We'll use our email addresses. And we will use our email address. So we will create a password. So company URL is webshanks.store. Okay, we'll just click create now. And let's go to our webmail. Okay, let's verify our Smartlead. So just click this link here. Okay, we'll just say automate. Okay, let's say Clay. Let's say senior level. Let's say legend. Okay, great. Now we will add emails. So we will connect our email from Smartlead to our Mailcow. So just go to email accounts. Just close this one. So we will choose SMTP. Say Jack from email. That will be jack@webshanks.store. So for username, that will be jack@webshanks.store. So password, this will be your email password. Just paste it here. And for SMTP host, that will be mail.webshanks.store. Use TLS, this will be 587. And for message per day, okay, we will put this, we'll set this as 25. And for our IMAP, that will be mail.webshanks.store. And okay, we will use port 993. You can also set your signature. And we will click save. And let's go to warm up. You can add 5 for increment. So maximum will be for our starting reply rate. We'll use 20. And we'll just send emails on weekdays. And just click enable warm up. Okay, and just click OK. So let's add another email account. So we will add account. That will be SMTP. Okay, for our second, it will be Liam. At webshanks.store. Okay, I'll just copy this for username. And I'll just paste the password here. I'll set the SMTP host. Use TLS. Okay, and set our IMAP host. use port NN3 and all good. Let's click save. So go to warm up and just click this to send only on weekdays. So we will enable warm up and here you can see your warm up repetition. Eventually it will reflect the score here, and you can also add more. I suggest that for one domain, get at least 3 mailboxes for one domain. And warm up is taking place, and my warm up repetition is 100%. So let's open. And I have one email that is saved from spam. And this is the purpose of email warm up. It will boost your repetition. So it doesn't mean warm up will help you land 100% of your emails to inbox, but it will improve repetition. And that's it. This is how to set up Mailcow and connect it to your Smartlead so that you can send cold emails. And if you want me to set this one for you, just contact me on my Telegram. I will put a link on the description down below so that you can contact me on my Telegram if you want to set up a Mailcow email server and connect it to Smartlead instantly or whatever cold email marketing software you are using. So that's it. If you have any questions, just put them down on the comment section and I'll try to answer them all. If this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.